Hello, grade 1. Today the title of our lesson is called past tense verb. So yesterday we learned about the present tense verb. The word present means something that is happening now, and tense means when something is happening. So present tense verbs is when a sentence tells you that it's happening now. And we said when the sentence is about one person or thing, we add an S to the verb. Today we will be learning about the past tense verb, right? So past tense means that something happened before. Okay, something that happened already. Past means something that already happened and is finished. So when we talked about the present tense, we used to add an S to the verb to show you that someone or something did something. What about the past tense? What do you think we will do? Okay, when the sentence, we will add ed to the verb. Ed, okay? I say, yesterday I play, I add ed. So yesterday is a word that shows you that something already happened. Yesterday means the day before today. So yesterday I play. Play is the verb. What did I do to the verb? I added ed. Yesterday I played with my toys. All right? So here, when sometimes I might put a word that shows you that it already happened. Words such as yesterday, last week, last Tuesday, last month, last year. Okay? So these are words that show you that it happened already in the past. Okay? But what will show you that it's already happened, that we put ed to the verb. We added ed to the verb. For example, yesterday I played with my toys. I can also say the car stopped at the red light. So here we added ed, okay, to the verb to show you that the car stopped already. If I say here is another sentence, Mom helped me with my homework. Mom, okay, she's also, whether she's one person or more, when we talk about the past, we add ed. All right? Okay, let's go to page 123 to see if we can answer and find the verb that happened in the past. It says past tense verb. Verbs that can tell about the past. Okay, that something already happened. We add ed to the verbs to tell about the past. Okay, again, what's the meaning of past? Something that happened already. Okay, so number 1 here, Tam looked for her socks. Okay, it says circle the verb that tells about the past that something already happened. So what do we look for? The verb with the ed. Tam looked for her socks. Number 2, Greg hunted all around. Okay, hunted also means to look or to search. Hunted, we used hunted because it ends with ed. Okay, so sometimes when we read the words with ed, sometimes we say looked, you feel like there's a T, and sometimes we hear like a D. Hunted. Okay. Number 3, they picked 2 red socks. They picked. We use picked because it says circle the verb in the past, and picked has ed. Number 4, they rushed to make puppets. So we use rushed because rushed ends with ed. All right, here it says draw a line under each verb that tells about the past. We will go to each sentence and we will look for the verb that tells about the past. Again, what tells us that the verb is up in the past? Ed. The puppets finished. I chose finished because it's the verb and it ends with ed. Number 6, the puppets jumped. Okay, the puppets jumped. Jumped is the past in the verb in the past. Number 7, the puppets splashed. Okay, we're going to underline splashed because it's a verb and ends with ed. Number 8, the puppets rested. The puppets rested. Rested is the verb that tells about the past. Next, we have here draw a line under each noun. Remember, a noun is a word that tells you about a person, place, or thing. Put a sock on a hand. Put a sock on a hand. Okay, what is the noun here? Sock, because it's a thing on a hand. And hand is also a thing because it's a part of your body. Number 10, socks make good puppets. Socks here, this is also a noun, but plural noun because there's an S that shows more than one. Okay, socks are nouns because it's a thing. Make good puppets. Puppets is also a noun and it's also it's plural. It also means more than one. How do you know that this is more than one? Because of the S. S in socks and S in puppets. Okay? Hope today's lesson was easy.